Welcome to the video on the basics of restoration, focusing on assisting the recovery of degraded and destroyed ecological systems. We will explore foundational concepts that define the boundaries and goals of ecological recovery efforts. Ecosystem restoration is the active process of assisting recovery for systems that have been degraded, damaged, or destroyed. The goal is to return systems to their historical trajectory or former undisturbed state. Restoration ecology is the scientific study supporting this practice. The severity of damage determines the restoration pathway. Degraded ecosystems, like overgrazed grasslands, have lost some structure or function. Destroyed ecosystems, such as strip mines, have lost all original life and structure. The objectives of restoration include restoring integrity, which means restoring species composition and community structure. Health refers to restoring vital functions, and sustainability ensures long-term resistance and resilience. Sustainability is built upon two core pillars. Resistance is the ability of an ecosystem to remain stable and functional despite disturbance. Resilience is the ability to return to the original state after a significant disturbance. Let's look at strategic approaches, matching intervention to the severity of the damage. Interventions include rehabilitation, which returns land to a functional ecosystem. Remediation cleans contaminants. Reclamation restores biotic function to severely damaged land. Mitigation creates new habitat to compensate for destroyed one. Finally, no action allows for natural succession of minor damage. Complete restoration is the most intensive program, aiming to restore historical species composition and structure. This includes site modification and the reintroduction of original species into their historical range. Case studies include restoring wetlands by controlling water levels, restoring lakes by reducing nutrient inputs, and restoring grasslands by removing woody vegetation and reintroducing native grasses. Several organizations and initiatives are involved in restoration, including the Society for Ecological Restoration, Ecological Risk Assessment, the Green India Mission, and the National Plan for Conservation of Aquatic Ecosystems. This video has provided a basic overview of ecosystem restoration. For more information, please visit the Society for Ecological Restoration website. This final slide lists the image sources used throughout this video.